gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. J-Lap with you. Today I've got a nice fifth wheel for you. This is a 2018 Keystone Cruiser Aire, model number 28RD. This is an extremely clean fifth wheel, very well kept. We've got three slides, two ACs, power awning. It is 33 feet long, and it only weighs 10,270 pounds fully loaded, so very versatile, very clean. We're gonna open it up, show you the outside, then we're gonna show you the inside, then we're gonna be done. Let's get to it. Alright, we got the Cruiser opened up. 28RD Extreme Weather Package. Means you can camp in extreme weather. We are under the power awning. Got the outdoor speakers. Hook up for the outdoor TV. Got some covers and some goodies from the last owner. You'll see they really kept this thing up. Beautiful decals on this one. Great color scheme. And we've got the power awning. We got awning toppers on the slide outs. Over here, front compartment. See, you do have a battery disconnect, always handy to have. Got your more ride hitch. It is set up for solar, so there is wiring for solar Furion system. Front wardrobe slide out. This is the one cosmetic defect that we'd have, a little scratch on there. Otherwise, exterior is in excellent condition. Other side of the pass-through storage right here. And we do have an auto leveling system right there. So 4-point leveling jacks. Got your furnace, docking station here for your water. City water connection, all that jazz. We got a little hose here for outdoor shower. Tires and wheels, aluminum. Like I said, this thing's only 10,270 pounds fully loaded, so it is a nice light trailer, 33 feet long. Again, awning toppers. Nice to have. 50 amp service because we do have two ACs on this guy. Got a backup camera, we'll show you that inside. You do have some brackets to mount a rack on the back here, if desired. All of our slide outs are the cable system, which I think is a very nice thing to have. And we have an outdoor kitchen. So a little 2-burner stove. You got some Velcro here to hold this guy in. Look at that. A little fridge. Keep your 6-pack of soda. And we got some storage, so solid steps as well. That's the exterior. Let's head inside. All right. Coming inside, we have a rear kitchen / dining layout. Shut that door. So let's start in the back here. Opposing slides make it nice and open. So starting here, we've got great storage above. And in this guy right here is your control panel. 3 slide outs, 1 power awning. This is all the lights. Water heater, water pump. Got gas or electric water heater. Got your tank readers right there. Got a little USB charging port station right there. This sofa will fold out and sleep too. You do have some very comfortable stadium seating right here, the Thomas Paine collection. We've got reclining, massage, heat, the lap of luxury, if you will. overhead storage. We've got the table and chair dinette with the added leaf for extra space. This is on there, so get a napkin holder. On this side we have our electric fireplace. Got your Furion sound system right there. Nice TV. Good storage around. Got a little pantry space there. Here's your receiver for the backup camera. Nice island sink, double stainless steel. This gives you some nice countertop space. Nice solid countertops. Also countertop space there, which is great. Here we have a fancy schmancy stove and oven, and then it's got digital. Look at that, neat. 3-burner, but not your traditional. Microwave. Got some storage. Again, nice countertop space. Our drawers have the metal runners. Oh, we do have some storage space in the island as well. Got our Norcold fridge freezer combination. This would be the fridge. It is a electric and or gas freezer. Again, more overhead storage, more countertop space. Can't get enough countertop space in RVs, and this one's got it. I got a little wine fridge. A little fancy schmancy going on. And that is our living space. So let's head to the front of the camper. You've got bedroom access there. We've got bathroom, also master bedroom access to the bath there. Let's just go through the bathroom. Nice little vanity. You have a little bit of countertop space there. Got the medicine cabinet up top in the corner. Got your toilet. Got some space here, which is nice to have as far as stepping out of your corner shower, which is huge. And skylight above, power vent. But you got some space to turn around. And then this little slide out here is the wardrobe slide. Always handy to have some legitimate, useful storage in the bedroom, which you've got plenty of it here. Overhead, side, got charging, got some nice blue light, and we got storage under the bed as well. And that, folks, second AC right here. And that, folks, is it for the 2018 Keystone Cruiser Aire 28RD. If you folks have any questions about this camper, please feel free to give us a call at Southern Motors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.